Hello viewers, this is your boy Augustone and I'm right here with another video. And in today's video I'm going to take you to a road project that is going on currently at where the biggest international mall is located, which is at Flower Pot. It's a 4-lane road project. I've been bringing you a video on this particular road, and I'm here once again to give you an update. So it's just adjacent or close to the biggest international mall, and this is there to connect all the way from the Palace Mall to the biggest international mall. So I want to give you guys an update of this particular road, which is still under construction, right? They have not finished it yet, but they are still doing one or two things at this moment. Thank you so much. Please, if you are new here, do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel, tap the notification bell, like, comment and share. Do not go without subscribing. Thank you so much and enjoy the video to the end. Yeah, so as you can see, this is how far they are gone with the road project. They are asphalted all the way from Flower Pot to the biggest international mall. It's a 4-lane road project, right? They've really done a great job, and this is really going to ease traffic when the biggest international mall starts operating, right? It's going to really ease the traffic, and it's a good plan that they came up right before the Flower Pot is accomplished, right? So yeah, when you look at the signboard over there, they are saying that slow down, men at work. So that means they are still working, right? That means there's something that needs to be done at this place. Yeah, so when you see that, when you check it, you can see that they have not asphalted that side, right? So I think they did the asphalt from a place to this place, right? From the international mall there to this place, you can see. going forward, the road becomes more bigger and bigger than where I started the video from. Because when I check this, it's like this side is a little bigger than that side, but it's still a 4-lane road, right? Check this, you can see that the work is still ongoing, right? They have not finished it yet. There's work still ongoing. There's work still going on. So as you can see, there was a very huge tree over here as at the time I came here, and now I've realized that it has been uprooted. And there was also some pavement, slabs or pavement that they have done here. That one too has also been dealt with, you know. And now I can see that the road is going on. You know, I can say for the fact that that was what was delaying the work. That's why they are now doing this side, because there was a lot that needs to be dealt with at this place before they can move on. Because I realized that there was also a transformer over here as well. So the transformer too has been taken away, right? That's why this road has been delayed a little. And this road is being constructed by Simon Construction Company. They are the ones in charge. So all these places were paved by Golden Gate. All these places were part of their plot. You know, they really came into the road, but now all those that they did has been rooted or has been taken away, and now the road is ongoing. It's a 4-lane road and a very huge one, of course. I can see the Simon Construction Company is really doing a great job.